Hello everyone, a warm welcome to English Tech Magazine Computer Vignanam. Today our topic is what kind of safety measures we must take while buying second-hand iPhone. To buy a brand new iPhone, it's very costly. That's why many people try to buy a second-hand iPhone. But without knowing the issues in the second-hand iPhone, they may face many difficulties after buying it. While buying a second-hand iPhone, we must know about previous services and repair details. It is very simple to know such details. Options have come in iOS 15.2 update. With this option, we will know the details about previous repairs, whether genuine parts were used or not. If you give your iPhone to a local repairing shop also, second-hand buyers will know the iPhone history. Apple company has informed that for different iPhones via different options, they would given the iPhone history details. Now, let us see how to see the iPhone history. Open iPhone settings and click on general option. After that, click on About section. Next, click on History section and that click on Parts and Services. That's all. Details with respect to parts and services would be shown. If you found this video is useful, please like. For many such useful and informative videos, please subscribe to our channel Computer Vignanam. Thank you.